I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the app can locate devices. Sign into your Apple ID and enable Find My and Location services. This lets Apple register device locations. Once done, open the Find My app and choose devices or people depending on what you need. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi or cellular and keep the device charged so background updates occur. These first steps unlock all tracking features and ensure accuracy when you move into locating or sharing. Now you act. Tap the device or person entry to see a live map and last seen time. This tells you why the location matters right now. Tap play sound to find nearby items quickly or choose directions to open maps for turn-by-turn routing. If the device is offline, enable Notify when found to get an alert when it reconnects. If you need help, share location with a trusted contact so they can assist. These controls give you options for both immediate retrieval and follow-up. Finish by protecting and recovering the item. If it's missing, use Mark as Lost to remotely lock the device and show contact details. That prevents access while keeping it findable. Only choose Erase Device if recovery is impossible, because erasing removes your data and may complicate return. If the map shows an old location, make sure Location Services is on, toggle Find My off and on, and sign out and back into iCloud. These steps fix common syncing issues and restore accurate tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.